Ready, boys?
I know a girl, she's a real American honey, out on the road, chasing a dream, almost there, almost out of money, gas tank's full, she's going all the way. She's got Bakersfield dust on her windshield, and Bakersfield mud on her tires. She's just passing through on her way to a destination. She knows just what to do. I know a boy, a guitar in his hand, out on the road, making a stand. Guitar twang ringing in his ears. Thanks on him, but he's got a plan. He's got red dirt dust on his windshield and red dirt mud on his tire. He's just passing through on his way to a destination. Halfway home, gonna have to do. So turn it on, turn it around, give it all you got, dial into your sound. Now that you're home, scrape the mud off of your tires, turn it up a notch, right up your town. You've got Bakersfield dust on your windshield, and Bakersfield mud on your tire. You're just passing through on your way to a destination. You know just what to do. You got Bakersfield dust on your windshield, Bakersfield mud on your tire. You're just passing through on your way to a destination. You know just what to do. We're all passing through on our way to a destination, just where we're going to. That's right.